Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2006 Honda CB250 Nitehawk. This is a great bike to learn how to ride. Very stable, low seat height. It has a 250cc inline twin engine, 5-speed transmission. This bike is in great condition. Very low miles on the bike, 3,944 miles. This bike is all stock, runs great. This CB250 Nitehawk is offered at $32.95. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You could reach us at 408-730-0600.